I've been working on a little project of mine. I've already finished it. And this is it. Sometimes it does that. I'll be featuring this guy in a lot more videos. What the hell? There we go. For full articulation, I discovered a T13 would play and I'll name him Bob. Bob! No, Chucky, Chucky. Oh no. It has a lot more utility. This head even moves, bro. I doesn't. I'll improve that. I'll improve that later. You know what? I'll improve that now. That's okay. This is my art material. I'll be upgrading this in a lot more videos. Chip of Lucky. He inspired me to make this. I don't have weapons for it, so I'll be doing stuff. I'll make weapons and stuff. And you can see my face over there, but I'll express my voice through this guy. Backflip. What was that? Okay, I'll be making my real body will be making some weapons for me and this little dude that has no articulations. What the hell did I do? Okay, so I'll be making armor for this guy. I'll be this can be it doesn't it doesn't harden so I can just take his hair off, but I'll keep that one because it's so bald without it. New hair. New hair time. I think this will be an hour video because I'll be making and scrapping stuff. Look, he's so bald! Oh my god! Kairos, activate mode. Oh, His hand fell off again. Yippee! Where's his hand? Oh, his foot fell off. This guy is so fragile. Here's his arm. And here's his foot. It's originally red. It's originally red. I wanted to fully cover his red parts of his body. Looks like a black. Just black. Just doing stuff that can improve it. Okay. Then this is the full. Oh frick. It's covering it. There we go. It's going crazy. Is his full body reveal? I want to see him better. Here, here. Go. So that's his eyes right there. It's making a new arm time. So this is my full height. Hey, brother, brother, brother. So I got this guy, and I still hit him. Oh, where was this? I think that's not me. Let's see, let's see. Oh, this thing. Oh, here. Oh no, nope, that isn't it. There is a little bit of um, red bits, but I don't want to cover them because those are its joints. It limits his, if I cover it, it limits his uh, possibility. His head is really loose. This is Rayon! Alright, I love it. My head! I've grabbed his hand, but another attempt. Oh, what the? Whoa. There we go. So, I don't know what happened, but I have this guy now. Uh, so I'll be reactive. Mm, 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 mm. I'll be he's been controlling me for a long time now. Look at how small he is. His hands fell off again. This is why his foot. Oh, Oh, hello. Wait, I gotta go find. Look, I found it finally. Look at the articulation. I did a good job covering just a little bit of grid over there. You can see it. Yep, it's covered. I think cover overhead and make all the because if there we go. So I'll be making something. So you can use this them. Ooh. He's sitting. Look, he can sit. He can sit. Oh my god, he can sit. He can sit, guys. He can sit. Hello, my name is Choppy and I am Clay. Then, okay, I'll be upgrading her. What? I don't need. Oh, I don't need to put on this, so I'm gonna make a syringe. It'll be inside me. What? Nothing, nothing. What are you doing? Nothing, nothing, nothing. I'm talking to myself. I don't even need this, but you're looking at me. So, okay, his hand again. Okay, he is literally asleep. So, let's see if his flesh is still there. Yep, yep, yep. Pick up again. So, his face is red. Oh my god. So, we'll be making a gum that he can hold. We'll be making two of this. Two versions of this. So, a prop version. This is the prop version and I'm making up. It's supposed to be a shotgun, but I don't know how to make one. So, I got a posing for this. Why did you put me to sleep? To make you this. No, I can't hold it now. Oh, fell asleep again. Slip? Huh? Oh, I need to. And put it in his hand and use it here. No, I don't want it. I want just upgrade it. Okay. So he just wants he. Yes, he. It's a boy. Look what just happened. I need to start over. His face is looking red. What? There you go. Sorry about that. So, wait. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. In a minute. Wait. 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 This has weapons of the T-13 kind. So, I don't need to be building it out of clay. I need just a katana, axe, and a gun. Yes, there's a gun. Oh no, I forgot this existed. This is the normal um oh fish stick. I forgot I'm recording. Oh my god. So what I need to rebuild his hand again. Oh rebuilding, 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 rebuilding. So this is just it for today. I don't know what to do though. So I made this. Sound is literally not connecting. There we go. It disconnected. So how does it look? I will make a over here to then it's back. So there's the sword. But this will never mind. Generating. Never mind. It doesn't have weapons anymore. So I built this today. Oos. 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 Ah, ah. Just to move. Okay. I think the problem is this. And yes, move up. Oh no, it's falling. Ah. So I'll be customizing my little friend. So getting to sleep. Just lay down. Okay? We'll be right here watching every move I do. Especially I will do some I have to do something. God damn that's dark. Oh I don't know if you've seen this but I do have it. That was a bad idea. I'll skip this part of cleaning because look what happened. So what happened? I forgot to press the record button again. So remember this it fell. I was trying to do something and I was trying to do something and everything fell. So I'm cleaning it up. Cleaning up, cleaning up, cleaning up. Yep, yep, yep. Hey, wake up. Help me. Oh, this. Ticket, I don't have possible thumbs. Go back to sleep. He did. Okay. I stabbed them. Oh god. Okay. I thought. Oh, it's fine. Look at that beauty. Oh, mm, this is my creation. What the hell? Why did I do that? I just made my own creation. My creation! So, time to go to building time. Lego. I grabbed everything. So, I'll be making uh, a mask for a little body. You're hearing it right. A mask for a little body. A what for a little body? You're supposed to be dead. He's dead right now. Okay? I got it. I got it. I just need to make it. Revive! Revive! Eh, what happened? Mask. What the hell? What the? Wait a minute, I have an idea. Again. So, I've been doing this for like 25 minutes. And I've explained everything and I'm doing anything I can do. And I'm gonna make a face of it for our little friend. Okay, it's done. A what hugger? A face hugger. Now get me. La, la, la. Get it. Oh my god, that actually scared me. Oh, I'm scared. Oh my god. So, our little buddy, right here, is traumatized now. Automatically, oh, what? Anong gusto ko ba? Dog! His little pet. Why does it look like a spoon? Spine, stone. This thing created this thing. Oh my god! I'm getting cancelled for that. I'm getting. I'm getting. Yo, 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 yo. Yeah. So, I'll make an attachable knife arm. No. A literal knife blade. Here. Over here. Alright. So, make a jump. Oh no! Oh no! He ate the curb! Okay, surgically removing the hair. Get out of here! Get out of here! Oh hell no! Oh hell no! He has a receding hairline. No, this is the hair. We need new hair. I'm gonna make a hair like not mine, but someone else's. Okay. I'm just gonna make random hairs and let's see if I like it. Yo, that. Ew! Ew! Look at the face! What happened? What happened? God? So happened? Skibidi dub. Okay. I actually like it. I actually kinda like it. So, I'm time! And a backpack. Oh my god, I'm coming up with brand new idea. Brand new ideas. This is this is I was doing this. HD. Well, huh? Ano? He actually did it. I actually did it. It's attachable, so I ain't gonna. So I ain't gonna. I made this from T13 parts. Actually, T13. Real T13. See, stop. See, that's a T13 neck. That's a T13 neck. Eh, now how do I attach it back? Yes, put it back up. There we go. Put it back on. So, uh, eh, make a backpack. Okay, chill. In the next part, it's been 30 minutes. This is my longest video yet. So, bye bye.